Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. So last week we had that really great box from Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-op, and this week we have Misfits. Hopefully the Misfits box will be as good as that Lancaster box. There is a benefit to ordering from Misfits, and that's that we can get fruit and some pantry items, and I don't even remember what I ordered. So we're gonna get this box open and find out what's inside. But if you want to give Misfits a try, there's a link in the description down below where you can save off your first order. Let's get the box open. Wow, so it's been a while since Misfits did this. There's a recipe in here, and it's a Bobby Flay recipe. By the way, my friend Brian says that I could beat Bobby Flay. Never tried, but I tied Rocco DiSpirito in a cooking contest once. So there's that. And hash it out. It's encouraging you to shop Skillet hash ingredients when you build your next order. And this is the back, the ingredients. Oh, this useless piece of cardboard. You know, if you saw my unboxing from Good Chop, they had the most awesome tray. Oh, and they have a little tray that they keep the dry ice in. That's nice. So, look, Misfits. Instead of that useless piece of cardboard that Misfits puts over their boxes, those of you that order from Misfits or watch my Misfits unboxings, Good Chop has a tray. And it's sturdy. It tells you more about them. So, you know what? Misfits could learn a little something from this. Oh, the soup and ice pack. Now, I should also mention, this should have been here yesterday. I usually get my order Monday, but Monday was a holiday, so it should have been here on Tuesday, and they say that they shipped it on Monday. But today is Wednesday, and it just got here. So I'm not sure how long this has been sitting around, but based on this ice pack, I'd say a while, because it's not really hot out. And this is that useless piece of cardboard. So getting back to that tray, because they had a nice tray that fit into the box, and it held, in that case, it was dry ice, but it would work with ice packs too. And instead of being this flimsy piece of cardboard, it was like a substantial tray. I like that. Misfits, I hope you hear me and you'll make some changes to this weird cardboard thing. But here's some good news. The spinach is in good condition. It is a little smashed up. The side of the box is a little smashed up. It expires 9/16 and today is September 8th. So I have 8 days on this. I like that. The pea shoots are also in good shape, and these are also good until the 16th. It's a little banged up, but it's not open. It's not totally smashed. I will take that. And then we've got some strawberries, and these are in good shape. Look at this. They're very pretty. And I should mention, everything in this box, it's all organic. Some watermelon. Wow. This is heirloom, and for some reason, looking at it really quick, I thought it said watermelon. There's something wrong with me. So these are heirloom cherry tomatoes, and they look good. There's one in there that looks a little funky. I don't know if you can see it on the side. It might be okay. Some portobello mushroom caps. They look good. Some romaine hearts, and these were packed on August 28th. These look good. Some scallions. These look very nice, and the scallions haven't been that great, so I'll take it. Some broccoli. This looks good. Ginger, although it's not that large amount of ginger that we've gotten in the past. So for Misfits, this is a small amount of ginger. For Imperfect, that's about normal. And then we have, some red plums. These are nice and firm. 4 red plums. some white nectarines. 2 of the white nectarines, and these are nice and firm. We've got some lemons. Stay a little while because I'm going to go over how much this cost. I'm going to look at my receipt and go over it with you. And some limes. So 3 lemons, 3 limes. Oh, 5 limes. I found 2 more. And some of the Sir Kensington's organic mayonnaise. And this was on sale. Hold on, because it was like an unbelievable deal. And I want you to know how cheap it was. Because I got 2 of them. So I'm gonna find out how much this was. So we've got the 2 organic mayonnaise, the broccoli, the ginger, which is a disappointing amount for Misfits. The 5 lemons and 5 limes and 3 lemons, organic romaine hearts and scallions, and then we have the portobello mushrooms, pea shoots, baby spinach, strawberries, the cherry tomatoes, the plums, and the nectarines. So how much did this cost? The limes were $2.49 for 5. The scallions were 69 cents. The white nectarines were 2 for $2.29. I feel like that's a little high. The portobello mushrooms were 6 ounces for $2.89. The broccoli was $2.59 for the bunch. The mayonnaise, this was 2 for $5.98. And it's usually like that price for 1. So that's why I got 2 of them. The lemons were 3 for $2.49. I feel like that's on the high side. The plums were 5 for $1.99. I feel like that's good. The pea shoots were $2.99. The spinach was $2.99. The strawberries were $4.49. The romaine was $2.99. That's a good deal for organic romaine. The cherry tomatoes were $3.99, and the ginger root was 69 cents. My subtotal was $39.55, and shipping was $4.50. So my total was $44.05. I feel like for $45, that's a decent price for this. It's not as good as that Lancaster Farm Fresh though. That was amazing. What did you guys think of that? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this, if it's worth the price, and how your Misfits orders have gone, and what other produce companies have you tried? My favorite by far right now at this moment, and that could change depending upon how the orders come in the future, is the Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-op. This is like amazing so far. I am really impressed with it. How long has it been since I've been impressed with a produce delivery? I'm impressed with, look at this! Oh my goodness, this is amazing! Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Misfits, you know, with their 2 measly small potatoes. Look at this. So, I mean, this is a lot of potatoes, guys. These vegetables are amazing. You know what? If anybody tells me this isn't worth it, I'm gonna question your sanity, because this is awesome. And there's a link to that video. I'll put it right here. Here. I don't know. I'll put a link to it in the description and up here, because if you haven't seen that, you should definitely watch that video. And again, if you want to try Misfits, there's a link in the description down below where you can give Misfits a try. In my opinion, it's a really good value for organic produce and pantry items. In my experience, anyway, it's been much better than Imperfect Foods, and I just wish they would improve the packaging. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with someone else that wants to save some money on groceries, and just post it to your social media too. Remember, I post at least 3 videos a week, and at least one of those, sometimes more, lately more, is an unboxing. And you don't want to miss any of them. So remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.